Hello. So today we're doing division. We're using partial quotients. My problem is 6 divided by 645. So I set up my problem like any long division problem. I have my 6 on my outside and my 645 on my inside. So when I'm doing this, I want to know how many times can 6 go into 645. But that's a hard problem. But we just have to think about the multiplication facts that we already know. So if I do 6 times 100, I know that that equals 600. And 600 goes into 645, so I could do 6 times 100 and get 600. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take 6 and I'm going to write a 100 right here. 6 times 100 equals 600, so I'm going to write 600 under my 645. So now, of course, I need to subtract, and I know when I do 645 minus 600 that I get 45. All right. So now I have my 45. So next I want to see how many times can 6 go into 45. But I know that that won't work. 6 will not go into 45. However, 6 times 7 will give us 42, and 42 will go into 45. So I'm going to write a 7 right here, and then I'm going to do 6 times 7 equals 42. I wrote my 42 under my 45, so now I need to subtract. And when I subtract that, I get 3. Now 3 and 6. 6 can't go into 3, so I must stop right here. So I have this 3 left over. So now when I want to get what goes on top of my problem. So I know that I can do this 100 plus 7, and that gives me 107. So I'm going to write the 107 that I got from my partial quotients over here. I'm going to write the 107 on top of my divisor. 107. And then I still have the 3 left over, so I have a remainder of 3. So I have my 107, and I'm going to write R for remainder 3. So my answer is 107 with a remainder of 3 when I do 6 divided by 645 using partial quotients.